Garage door opener safety sensors misaligned? Here's how to get those bad boys back in line so your door works smooth and keeps you safe. Okay, so first off, you want to check the sensors on each side of the garage door. They usually sit a few inches off the ground and face each other. If they're crooked or dirty, the door might not close right or could even reverse unexpectedly, which is kinda annoying and unsafe. Grab a soft cloth and wipe those sensor lenses gently. Dust and spider webs love to mess with them. Next, make sure the sensors are directly facing each other. Even a tiny bit off can cause problems. Use a level or just eyeball it carefully to get them straight. If your sensors have little indicator lights, they'll usually turn green when aligned properly. Super handy to know you're on track. Also, check for any loose wires or connections because sometimes that's the culprit behind sensor trouble. Once everything looks good, test your garage door by closing it and watching if it stops or reverses without any objects blocking it. One of the biggest mistakes with garage door opener safety sensors misaligned is ignoring sensor cleaning. Dirty lenses block the signal and make the door act funky, so keep them clean regularly. Another common issue is not positioning the sensors so they face each other perfectly. Even a slight angle can cause errors, so double check their alignment every now and then. The third problem folks run into is neglecting the wiring. Loose or damaged wires can kill the sensor's function entirely, so inspect and tighten connections whenever you notice issues. Fixing these three things usually gets your garage door opener working smoothly again without needing a pro. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners find reliable local contractors for stuff like garage door repairs without all the hassle. Plus, it gives contractors a way to connect with people who actually need their skills, making things easier for everyone involved.